beautiful people, welcome to Mercy with the Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my bedroom. It's summer. I'm bringing a little bit of color into my home. By doing so, I had a black and white window panels. I'm going to remove the white one and add a yellow one. And I love my desk to be in this corner because it's on how to maximize a small space. And guys, I'm going to clean my wall with this robot that have been sent to me. This video guys is in collaboration with this company that sent me this robot, and guys, it's a must-have. It's a 7800 PS strong suction robot, and guys, has zero tingling brush, and I really love it so much. The robot guys can vacuum and mopping at the same time. It's a must-have, it's all-in-one. Guys, you need something like that in your home because it will cut off your work hours. As you can see guys, this is a dog, and that's the extra filter that they sent in the box. And guys, this robot is the revolution, guys. The new generation of self-cleaning empty robot vacuum with 7800 PS suction power. And guys, this is the first zero tingling floating brush. And as you can see the bottom, you don't have to worry about no tingling, nothing. And what I really like the most about it, guys, it has a tri-laser obstacle avoidance and smooth streak-free mopping, guys. Whenever it's mopping your place, you don't have to worry about anything because of the floor auto adaptation and protection. Guys, you don't have to worry about anything. So it's high coverage, no streak behind, guys. I really love it. So the link will be in the description box down below. If you're looking for something like that, feel free to check them out. The U-shaped hair dust on a towel high-speed flow instant garbage collection without cloud. Guys, did I say this robot is self-emptying? Yes. Multi-disposable dust bag with filter to keep it clean. And guys, you really need something like that. Make sure to check the box down below if you are looking for something like that.
Mapping started. Please put away obstacles on the floor and open the doors of rooms to be cleaned.
And guys, the first thing you need to do is download the app. You need to map the area where you want to use it. You can use it in more than one room. So you just need to map all the areas you want it to be clean. All the rooms you want it to be clean. Okay guys, as you can see, and I really love the robot, guys. Make sure to check the link. As I said before, guys, you can clean multiple rooms, so just have to map the area that you want to clean, and the robot will clean several places in your home. As you can see, this is my entryway and the robot is doing its thing. I add a little bit cereal on the floor just to show you what the robot can do. If you are living in a big home or a small apartment, this robot will be very helpful to you guys. On your phone, you can see everything the robot is doing. You can just look at the map and you will see all the places the robot already cleaned, so you don't have to worry about anything, guys. As you can see, all the dirt the robot was able to pick up, and streak-free mopping is very good, guys. The link will be in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out. I showed you guys how much dirt the robot was able to collect in my entryway. Now, after I finished vacuuming my bedroom, guys, it was so relieved, so I didn't have to do all those work by myself because usually, guys, I'm the one to do all the cleaning, but having this robot, it's a very game changer. And guys, make sure to check the box down below if you are looking for something that's going to help you with your work. And guys, this is the other part where you put water to mop the floor. Guys, it will save you a lot of time and energy, and it's so good to have. It's all in one. You can mop the floor and you can vacuum with this robot. Make sure to check the link down below, guys, if you are looking for something like that. Okay guys, let's go back, finish up decorate the bedroom, and keep on watching. I like to use this glass cleaner, guys, because it's not too drippy and it helped me very good cleaning my mirrors. And I really like it. I got it from Walmart. This mirror, it's DIY, the gallery too, and I love it so much. And guys, there's a lot of way you can make your home look expensive without spending a lot of money, because the original mirror like that, it's like 1500s, something like that. But I know I'm gonna buy it one day, but as of for now, I'm enjoying the DIY. This wipe cleaner from Dollar Tree, guys, $1.25. You cannot go wrong with that, and it helps me so much. Most of the time I use reusable towels, but right now for $1.25, it's pretty convenient for me and it lasts me for a while. And you know, guys, I had my bedroom black and white. I still want to keep it not too much of color, but I'm just gonna add a little touch of yellow. Just keep it very simple and beautiful. Simple? I don't think so, but beautiful.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever.
I will take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review. I love decorate my home. And I always say that I'm not a professional designer, but I have a passion of decorate my home, make my home look extremely beautiful and expensive for less money, guys. If you're a home decor lover and you love decorate your home and you're on a budget, you come into the right place. And if you're not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching.
Get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec mes amis. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré nous qui j'aime moi décorer chambre pour été. Guys, nous toujours dit nous ça, si nous pas gagner pile cob et nous pas vle dépenser pile cob. Chanel ça a aidé nous décorer kay nous sans nous pas dépenser pile cob et kay nous a look expensive, vraiment luxe. Sans ou pas dépenser un pile cob. Ok guys, si pour la première fois tout, moi tout, merci un pile mes amours pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi maintenant.
Before you try being on your own side for once.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon ami, merci guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, guys, vous allez voir comment je décore ma chambre pour l'été. Si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français. Ça me fait un très grand plaisir. Et si vous n'êtes pas ici pour la première fois, un très grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime. Okay guys, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you can see how everything turns out.
For once, keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
For those of you that don't know, I live in Florida. I'm using all those comforters in my quilt. It's just for beauty because I love my bedroom to look so nice and make my home look like that. But when I'm sleeping, I remove everything. That's the reason why I just tuck them like that to the corner of my bed. So it's easy for me to remove and easy for me to just put it back. Sometimes I do my fancy things, just do some hotel trick and make it like, but sometimes though I just tuck it to the corner of the bed and just let it be because I'm going to use my bench. So it's not really a big deal as of for now. But guys, it's whatever please you, whatever suit you, whatever is good for you. And I like this bed sheet that I bought from Amazon. It has 4 pillow covers, which is very good because today I wanted to use 4 pillow, and this worked best for me, and the price is amazing. So guys, I'm going to leave everything that I use in the video in the description box down. So if there anything that you like, anything that you want in my video and you want to recreate the look, feel free to check the box down below. And guys, for this pill I'm using, this one is 24 by 24 and I love it. And guys, the material is so good for the price and it's so nice. And I wanted to go for something orange, but for this week I keep it a yellow. It's a mustard yellow. I'm keeping it like that for now, but maybe next week I'll change it when I'm close to fall. But as of for now, I'm loving it, the color that I chose. So what do you think? So feel free to leave me a comment down below. And I'm finished up with my bedroom. I'm going to let my robot finish the trick. And guys, and adding my flowers. As you know, I love flowers. So every place throughout my home, you're going to see flowers. So that's the robot was doing his trick while I'm gathering my flowers together. I love designer books, but on my nightstand, I always put books that I can read. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Oh, when we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.